crossings. You've got your outward journey, which is 110. Well, both journeys are £110 each way.
When a customer decides to call Brittany Ferries, that phone call will go first to an exchange and then on to our call centres, either here in Portsmouth or in Plymouth. The operator, wherever they may be, will take that call and be able to check availability straight away, regardless of whether it's just a ferry crossing or whether it's an inclusive holiday that the client requires. The call centres will deal with all types of queries, both processing reservations for ferries and inclusive holidays, but also dealing with the general inquiries that we receive. Those inquiries can be anything from the time of arrival of a ship to the weather conditions or average daily temperature in a particular part of France.
When passengers arrive on board, the main thing who interests them is to find the place for the crossing, especially on the long crossing on Spain route, 24 hours crossing. They want to find the place where they can stay, where they can leave their luggage, and where they can meet.
The Val de Loire has got 543 cabins. We can accommodate up until roughly 1,700 passengers, and we take 2,000 passengers on board ship.
I think that the difference between Brittany Ferries and the other company, it's first the quality of the standard on board. And the identity of Brittany Ferries is the high quality of the restaurants, the French food, the French restaurant on board.
Here we are in the self-service restaurant. It's very quiet now because it's the middle of the afternoon, but we have to be ready for the dinner tonight. It will begin in 15 minutes and it will be very busy. Once again.
Nous avons donc deux restaurants. Le restaurant Le Temps de Vivre, qui est le plus grand, 160 personnes à peu près par service, avec une formule, avec un buffet, un plat de résistance et un buffet de dessert. Au niveau de la qualité, donc on a un programme de restauration qui est défini en début d'année, en début de saison, et que l'on doit suivre tout l'ensemble de l'année.
In the Kiddies Club we take about 20 children a day. We have 2 hostesses to look after them. They stay all day long with us. They have lunch or dinner with us, depending on the day. We do some activities, like we go to the bridge to see the captain, we go to the cinema as well.
We have 4 children altogether and 2 of them are in the children's club, which starts at 11 o'clock or 11:30 till 5, so that takes a bit of pressure off us as well.
I think Brittany Ferries is a very good way of travelling, particularly if you're coming over on a cycle tour. sort of thing. If you're not travelling by car, then it's really the only way that you can get onto the continent with a cycle. I think the facilities that are provided are really very good. The bar's excellent value, the entertainment's usually very good, and the restaurants provide a variety of different types of meals. Everything really for all customers.
After passengers, they have find the place in the cabin, they have heat, they are quiet. After that, they have time to buy something. And we have many shops on board.
Part of my job is also entertainment. We have British entertainment on board, which is more musical. We have also a DJ who coordinates everything in the main bar. On the other hand, we have the French entertainment, which is done partly by the crew. The entertainment takes a very important place on board because it is part of the holiday for the passengers.
Really friendly, good atmosphere, you know.
This is a nice park because we're coming straight back again.
We'll be seeing seabirds and maybe see dolphins.
Swimming.
Sauna. You got a lot to occupy yourself, really.
I think it's better than flying because you have more comfort, really.
Santander is a small city in Spain. It's a very touristic city. It's got more than 9 beaches in the same city. It is a place where in just a few kilometers you can have a little bit of everything, or a mixture of everything. You can have hamlets, you can have villages, and you can have beach, or you can have more lively resorts. You can have a little bit of everything in just a few miles. The Hotel Olimpo is in Isla. Isla is a summer resort which is in front of Noja, which is the village which is behind me. And it's a very well-known hotel in the north of Spain, one of the best hotels, and enjoys this nice view over the sea. And it attracts lots of holiday makers, lots of British people, because it's very close to Santander and it's got lots of facilities. We basically have a little bit of everything. So we have traditional hotels, and we have apartments, casas or houses. The apartments that Brittany Ferries offers are normally situated on the coast, but sometimes they are in places like this, which is in the mountains. Fuente there, which is a very spectacular amphitheater of mountains, which is the end of the road that comes from the coast. We have behind us an example of a modern Pado, which was built at the same time than the cable car. And well, the nice thing of this place is the setting, which is really spectacular. And always offering a superior standard of quality, very good accommodation, and always very relaxed and very quiet, which is something very appreciated by clients all around the world, I have to say. The province of Cantabria in the north of Spain owns one of the most beautiful valleys in the Picos de Europa area, the Picos de Europa region, which is the Liébana Valley. Hotel is called Hotel del Oso, and it's a very traditional hotel, family-run hotel, built in a mountain style, and with nice restaurant, nice gastronomy, and very good treat to the customers, so everybody's really satisfied here. You don't have to drive miles to find places like this one. It is a type of accommodation that we call character inns. So small hotels, family-run hotels normally, with nice restaurants, nice food, and a very familiar treatment.
People enjoy San Malo because it's a very nice old city, very typical for food, for culture, for monuments. And people can stay here for quite a long time and then drive further south to Brittany or further south to France, but it's always one of the first stops for the British clients. Brittany Ferries sells different types of holidays. The most popular are gîtes, so we sell gîtes, we sell holiday homes and the seaside apartments, chambre d'hôte, camping and golf. The gîtes are usually old houses which have been totally renovated and which are most suitable for families.
Originally we wanted to come to Brittany. We didn't know what provider, went to local travel agents. And as we're looking through there, we like the look of the property, and it's the first time we've travelled by Brittany Ferries. We've normally gone by other line. But as I say, we're very impressed with the way that we're treated. But I think that one of the first things we noticed, we're actually treated as individuals and people spoke to us. Very often you just usher through, but people actually spoke.
VF apartments at Trégastel are very special. They've been built in that lovely monastery just by the church, and it's been converted into flats. They've built maisonette on the grounds, and they've all got private access to the beach. The chambre d'hôte are a very original product with Brittany Ferries because they're all different. It's a small product, and all the chambre d'hôte are situated in the countryside or on farmland. It's a product which is most suitable for couples, and people come around there to discover the gastronomy, to be there talking with the proprietors, and to discover about the region. So from all our programs, we do sell hotels, and we've got a good selection of different types of hotel, which starts from 2 stars as Little Auberge, up to 3 stars and 4 stars. And in the 4 stars, which is the highest category, we do sell luxury Relais Chateau hotel, like this one, which is the Manoir of Lancarelec, situated in Trebertin, just by the sea.
fact, we said it was like being on a cruise.
Yes.
Because it was quite calm, the sea was blue, and as Philip said, we just treated nicely, in a very nice way.
But it was such a lovely day when we come over. You said that if we have a fortnight of rain, it'll still be worthwhile the holiday.